Hi, it's Andrea from Club SciKidz. Now that you've learned all about light and about how light can bend or refract when it goes through different materials, we're going to use that idea of refraction to again make something that looks like magic, but really it's science. Super easy. All you need are some pieces of paper, a marker or something to write with, and a clear vase or cup full of water. I'm just using this because it's a little bit easier for you to see. You guys can just go ahead and use a regular glass. Once you have your pieces of paper, what you need to do is on one of the pieces of paper, draw an arrow. On another piece of paper, write a short word. You can write hello, you can write your name, just something short. And then on the other piece of paper, go ahead and draw some kind of a design. If you have more than just 3 pieces of paper, that's fine, but I'm just going to show you 3 different ones, and then you can use the rest of the pieces of paper to do something on your own. So go ahead, take a second to draw an arrow, write a short word, and then do a design, and I'll meet you back here. All right, so you're not going to be able to see my face in a second. What we're going to do, we have our glass of water. Now we know that light is traveling in a straight line. As it travels through the glass and the water, it's going to slow down, which bends the light. Now, looking up at the light, you really can't see the light bending, but we can see the result of the light bending. So I would like you to start off with your arrow. Now, this does actually work best if you can see it. So maybe if you have a brother or a sister or a mom and dad, someone who can help you, because although you can see it when you do it yourself, it's really cool to be able to step back and see it. All right, so we have our glass object here. Now, everybody sees the arrow. You see which way it's pointing, right? Now, what I'm going to do is simply put it behind this glass of water. And what way is the arrow going? Again, here's the arrow. I put it behind, and suddenly it seems as if it switches directions. Now, a tip for you as you do this, it's better if you hold the piece of paper further away from the glass. If you hold it closer, it actually depends also on what's on the paper. So you'll just have to kind of play with it. And again, my arrow is going that way, and all of a sudden it seems to be going opposite. Now, I like to use the paper with the word because you can really tell when words are backwards. So go ahead again. We have hello, slide it behind, and we see that the word is backwards. Again, that is because as the light is coming through, the light is bending, it's refracting, and it makes our image of the paper, it flips it around like it's backwards. Now, the last one, we have our fun design. Go ahead, hold the design behind, and all of a sudden it will switch. And it also kind of looks like it's moving around the inside of that jar. So again, this looks like a magic trick, but it's not a magic trick. It's because as the light is going through the water, the light waves slow down, the light gets bent, and it flips around the images to make them look backwards. So go ahead, if what you can do is this is fun, go ahead and do some different experiments. You can draw different pictures, write different words, and you can just kind of experiment. Some things it works better to hold it back further, some a little bit closer. So go ahead and explore with refraction, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.